Many people are predicting that the next big thing in artificial intelligence is these intelligent agents. In this paper, which you can see on your screen, the researchers are trying to provide a structured view of LLM based agents, defining their key components and discussing potential applications. But still, as I mentioned earlier, this field is very new, very murky. We are not really sure what really makes up these intelligent agents. And as you can see on your screen, they have tried to depict this envisioned agent society where um, it still lacks the proper framework and overview what exactly is the coordination between these agents. Now in this paper, which let me also quickly show you the abstract. This is abstract and on the right hand side you can download the PDF of this paper. So in this paper, what these researchers are trying to do is to define the agent. According to them, an intelligent agent or LLM based agent consists of three components. First is brain, then they have perception, and then the action. This is the same way humans work or human intelligence work. Now, these three components, brain, perception, and action, they also try to follow the same pattern followed by the humans. The brain includes natural language capabilities and reasoning. Perception involves gathering data from external signals like visuals and audio. And lastly, action refers to the agent's ability to interact with its environment. Now, if we go back to this diagram, and then there is another one in this GitHub repo, and I'll share the link in video's description, you can see that these are the three components which I just mentioned: perception, brain, and action. Now, there could be three possible scenarios or application scenarios on the basis of these LLM based agents. There could be a single agent which is capable of specific tasks and scientific innovation, and then maybe this could be the existing agents which or the LLM based software which are doing human tasks. And there could be then multiple agents which can work together to overcome complex scenarios. And then lastly, there could be human agents. Now, this human agent is primarily the artificial general intelligence, where an agent or AI agent can function in human roles ranging from any executor to equal partner or just replace the human. And then if I go above again to this diagram, this is primarily an envisioned society. So this is the end goal where there could be multiple agents, and this introduces a concept of agent society, which is an envisioned simulated environment where multiple LLM based agents interact, offering insights into individual and group dynamics. And there is a lot of other good detail in this project, and I would encourage you to have a read through it. It's a bit lengthy, I would say, for my liking, but still, it is quite good. And the best thing about it is that it includes the collection of all the AI agents or LLM agents available at the moment. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are already working with AI agents, please share your experience. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.